Hello there, my name is Paul and welcome to this channel. Make sure to watch this video until the end for a special bonus tip that will take your ChatGPT skills to the next level. At the end of this video, I will reveal the #1 secret to becoming a real pro in using ChatGPT effectively. This is also the most important tip you need to know. But before that, let's answer this question. Hello everyone, today we're diving into the exciting world of GPT-4o, OpenAI's latest AI model. I know technology can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially when things change so fast. Maybe you felt that AI tools were too complicated or expensive in the past. Well, I've got good news for you. GPT-4o is not only faster and more capable, but it's also free to use. Imagine an AI that can help you with images, browse the internet in real time, remember personal details, and even analyze data. It's like having a super smart assistant at your fingertips. Well, let me share you a personal story. When GPT-4 first came out, I was hesitant. The subscription fee and the learning curve seems like barriers. I remember feeling frustrated trying to figure out how to use it effectively. But once I get the hang of it, it became a game changer. I could ask it to analyze spreadsheet or help me with research, saving me hours of work. With GPT-4o being faster and more intuitive, I'm excited because it makes these advanced features accessible to everyone without any cost. Now, let's talk about some key features. GPT-4o includes vision, which means you can upload images and ask questions about them. Think of it as having a set of super smart eyes. Then there's browse, allowing the AI to fetch up-to-date information from the web. Imagine it as your personal librarian. Memory is another feature when it remembers things about you, making interactions more personal. Lastly, the AI can handle complex data analysis, like turning boring spreadsheets into insightful conversations. It's like turning data into a story. Using GPT-4o is straightforward. Let's walk through an example. Asking it to analyze a graph. Click on the image icon and upload your graph. Then, click on the microphone button and ask your questions. The AI will analyze the graph and give you the answer. It's as simple as talking to a friend. But what if you encounter some problems? Well, I can help you with that. You might face a few challenges when starting with GPT-4o. One common worry is whether the AI will understand your questions correctly. When I first started, I also wasn't sure if it would give me the right answer. But as I use it more, I learned that asking clear questions helps a lot. For example, when I needed data analyzed, I broke my questions into smaller parts. This made it easier for the AI to give me accurate responses. Another challenge could be figuring out how to use the new desktop app. When I began using GPT-4o, the app layout seems confusing. Buttons were in different places than I was used to. To get over this, I took my time exploring each part of the app. Watching tutorials and practicing step by step helped me understand it better. Soon, I found it's easy to use. A third challenge might be integrating GPT-4o into your daily work smoothly. You might wonder when to use it and how to fit it into your routine. Initially, I struggled with this too. I wasn't sure how often to rely on it for tasks. Over time, I found strategy. I started with simple tasks and gradually used it for more complex jobs. Using GPT-4o for quick data checks or research saved me time, so I could focus on more important work. But what if you still have questions? Well, don't worry, I can help you with that too. Here are the top 3 frequently asked questions and answers. Since we are almost at the end of this video, let's answer this question. What is the most important tip you need to know? Well, if you want to take your ChatGPT skills to the next level, here is your special bonus tip. Never stop learning. Improve your skills continuously. As Albert Einstein famously said, once you stop learning, you start dying. Never underestimate the power of continuous learning. Whether it's through reading books or taking online courses, there's always something new to discover and master. Continuous improvement is the secret to becoming a pro. So, keep pushing yourself to improve and you'll be amazed at how far you can go. Now, if reading books is not your thing, online courses provide an excellent alternative for learning. They offer lessons without annoying ads, and everything is neatly organized in one place with simple to follow step-by-step instructions. With plenty of hands-on practice, you'll see significant progress and learn faster, saving you valuable time. So, if you're serious about improving, both books and online courses are your best options. I highly recommend them. They changed my life, and I believe they can do the same for you. When I started learning about AI and prompts, I felt overwhelmed by all the information available. I tried to piece together free tutorials and articles, but it was hard to find a clear path forward. That's when I decided to invest in a structured online course. The lessons were well organized, the instructions were clear, and I could learn at my own pace without any interruption. They offered the flexibility I needed, allowing me to learn at my own pace, on my own time, without any pressure. I realized that investing in myself was worth every second. By dedicating just a small portion of my day to learning, I was able to transform my skills and open up new opportunities. This approach not only saved me time, but also accelerated my learning process. The hands-on practice and step-by-step guidance were incredibly valuable. It transformed my prompt skills from basic to professional, giving me the confidence to tackle more complex tasks. I found that learning from structured curriculum kept me motivated and focused. Scott Young, author of Ultra Learning, said, "Theory without practice is empty. Practice without theory is blind." And I agree. I realized that you really learn by doing. If you're serious about improving your skills and want an efficient way to learn, I highly recommend online courses. They offer a structured approach that can significantly accelerate your progress and mastery. Plus, you will enjoy uninterrupted lessons without annoying ads, plenty of hands-on practice, and a clear, organized learning path. And if you want to learn how to use ChatGPT effectively, you're in the right place. Udemy, where my course is hosted, is a trusted online learning platform with millions of students around the world, offering courses on many topics. The best part, they often run sales and special promotions, so you might be able to get my course for up to 75% off. Well, check the link in the description below after watching this video to see the latest deal. If you're serious about taking your ChatGPT skills to the next level, don't miss this chance. This course is designed with easy-to-follow lessons, hands-on practice, and expert tips that have transformed my skills and those of many others. I believe it can do the same for you. The sooner you join, the sooner you'll be creating amazing prompts that boost your productivity and creativity. Udemy frequently offers special sales, and you might be able to get this course for up to 75% off. These discounts come and go, so it's best to check it out now and click the link to see the latest deal.